just done an hour drive, about 100 kilometers. We went on the motorway because we just wanted to make progress. And oh my gosh, it's like 8:30 p.m, nearly 9, and it's 36 degrees, so it's really, really hot. The van's a bit of a, we have to put it back together after the drive. It's a bit all over the place, but we have a really good spot by the river so that we can keep ourselves cool. It looks alright actually, it looks quite clean. Very clean in fact, and there's a couple of people that are in the river right now. So anyway, the drive on the motorway was dangerous. There were so many people speeding, like doing 160, 180 kilometers. It was very dangerous, and this is the state of our van. This is what a lot of people don't put in their vlogs, but we're gonna put it because this is real life for us now. This is what our home looks like, but we'll get it sorted.
Hello, this is Runkel.
Guys, a little correction, it's not Runkel, it's actually Runkel.
Somewhere in Germany, on the way to somewhere in Poland. and it's lovely, there's no grief, no one's told us to move. And it is cool now, between 38, 39 today here, I think 37, 38 here. And
in the shade.
In the shade. It's
so in the
really,
sun
really,
it was
really
even
hot.
hotter.
It's now cool and we've gone out for an evening walk.
Yeah.
We're the only ones in Runkel who go out for an evening walk, I've decided, because there's no one else here.
There's no one here. And right behind Jone is some sort of a castle. I don't really know what that is, but it's lovely. And there's a really nice flowing dam. And that's the reason why we have seen so many people in the river, because it makes it quite safe to go in and swim and dip and whatnot. So yeah, very nice. We're gonna go back to the van now and have a sleep, and we're planning to get up early in the morning tomorrow to drive, but don't hold your breath because it takes us a while to get ready in the mornings. So that's the plan, but whether we're gonna get up early enough, who knows. So anyway, good night for tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow or the day after, or I don't know, we'll see you at some point. Again, it is 8:40 and we did get up at 7 a.m. this morning, so that's quite early for us, and we're out and about. We're on our way. We're going to continue driving. John has just gone to the bakery, local bakery here, to get some baguette or rolls or something. I'm waiting in the car because I stopped in a less than ideal place. And it's going to be a really hot day today, so we've decided that we're going to do about 2-ish hours of driving, and then we're going to go to a swimming pool. I found an outdoor swimming pool about 250 kilometers from here. We thought, rather than chilling in the swimming pool now and then doing the drive in the evening, we're going to do the drive now and then we're going to go and chill. I think it's going to be better for us. I can see John coming back, and I'm not sure if he's got anything in his hand or not. What are we having for lunch?
2 rolls.
Oh, okay.
There were no baguettes. There was a wasp colony living in there as well. So.
Oh, it's so positive. Right, we're going now. We'll see you later. Wow, this is absolutely delicious. It's like the best hot dog and the best curry sausage thing that we've ever had. We pretty much demolished it all. In terms of price, the hot dog was 6.49 euros, and then the curry wurst was 8.49. So not the cheapest, but it was worth the money. Oh, delicious. And this was in Serveways, Telfel style food, somewhere on the motorway. Serveways. Delicious.
Junction 55 near Weimar.
No, it's after Junction 55.
Just after Junction 55 on the auto route 4 on the way to Dresden.
Really good. We're gonna get off the motorway now and we're just gonna drive along the little villages and we're gonna find a spot for the night, not in the Dresden itself, because we find that we're preferring tiny little sleepy villages and we prefer to stay there, and then we're planning just to go into Dresden tomorrow for the day and then come out of it again. We don't really enjoy staying overnight in big cities, so that's the plan, but we'll see. And that's John resting his sciatica.
All is well. I'm alive.
We're about 10 miles away or under now, and we're gonna go park in Dresden and go into the city.
Where are we, Evelyn?
We are in one of the little pop-up markets, and then after that we're gonna go into the old town.
What day is it today?
Friday, and I don't know.
22nd of July.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
There you go. Ceramic mural in the whole world, which is just across the street there, so I'm really looking forward to it.